Daisy, can you clap hands? Oh, good boy. Standing up all by yourself. Somebody thinks they're smart. You think you're a smarty pants, don't you? Yay! Can you clap your hands? Oh, careful. Can you clap your hands? Go on, try again. Yay! Hey, Smarty Pants. What you doing? What are you doing, Smarty Pants? Wow. What do you think you're doing? Oh, careful. Careful. Oh. Good boy. Think you're clever, don't you? Oh, good boy. Clever. Somebody thinks they're a bit clever, don't they? Hey there, Smarty Pants. Oh, that's a better height for you. Good boy. Uh-oh, it's all over now, isn't it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're okay? Hop up. Oh, come on. Come on. Do it again. Come on, do it again. Yay! Clever boy. Daisy? Daisy? What are you going to do now? You've got to turn around. On your marks, get set. Go, Speed Racer, go. Good boy. So clever. So clever. Yay! Good boy, Daisy! Yay! Oh, I smacked your brother in the face, that's it. Oh, and then give him a big bite. Daisy's first few steps. Go on.